अच्छा।
Hello students, welcome to class 4. We are continuing lesson number Patola 22, and in our last session we have came to the point the Moksha and Nirmal be able to teach their children this beautiful art or not. That was a question raised in our mind whether this literary work will be continued or not. So, we have to write down in our notebook, have you ever seen anybody weave something on a loom? What were they weaving and where? You can see that weaver's house, this thing. The thread of a sari are dyed. Do you know any other thing that is dyed? Whether it is colored or not. There are many clothes will be colored openly. Do you know any other work which many people living in one place to do? Do they make something? Many a time you can see that many ladies are gathering at one place and making some food items, some crafts, which is called Gru Udyog, cottage industries. Do man and woman do the different kind of work to make these things? Yes. Man and woman have a different kind of things to do this. Do the children contribute to making this thing? Sometimes they also support it. Talk to a blacksmith, carpenter and potter about the nature of their work. Blacksmith is using iron tools, carpenter is using the same tools and making wooden things, and potter is using clay to make the pots in our tradition artisans point. If we look at the villagers point, these all artisans, blacksmith, carpenter and potter can be seen in the village area more in comparison to the city area. Where did they learn to do their work? That is a good question. This work they learned from the ancestrals. Their grandparents teach to the parents, parents are teaching to their son. Likewise, generation based, generation biased, it is traditionally occupied work is going on. Different type of tools and skills are used. It emphasizes that entire family participates in making things and everybody have the different responsibilities and duties. What else did they need to learn to able to do this work? They have to need to able to learn the new things whatever the market demanding. That is very important. Whenever a market is demanding, then we have to implement the new things. Have you taught this work to anybody in their family or to anyone else? This is the main questions for the artisan work. The artisans, do they teach to their children what they are knowing? The table given below has a list of a different kind of work that people do. Do you know the people who do such work? Write the names in first column and next column write from whom have they learned their work. Cooking is learned, name of the people who do this work. Cooking is learned by the specially girl and they are learning from the mother. Cycle repairing, mechanic is, cycle shop owner is teaching. Driving the bus, driving schools are there. Sewing and embroidery classes are there. Professional singers are singing to the other students. Kite making is an artisan who is learning by the many of persons. Cutting of hair is done by the barber's work, and their ancestral work is done learned by their children to continue the shop. Many are very expert in this hairstyle work. Farming work, farmer's son is doing farming work. So these are the basically things. Many places in India are famous for making special things of patola or pattern, and this become very famous place. It is made like shawl of Kullu, Madhubani paintings of Assam silk, Kashmiri embroidery, Kachhi Bharatkam, Bandhani of Jaipur, Gujarat, pottery of Than, etc. are the very specially particularly popular things that we will discuss in our new points next time. Till then, I remain. Thank you, students.